Welcome guys, so keep solving our physics GRE 44 and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so 44 say that the mass of particle mass on Earth space is confined to some parabolic curve y equals a squared, where y is up and which of Lagrangian. Okay, I'm learning algebraic geometry now, so I see in this kind of curve what I will see is an algebraic curve. Okay, never mind it. So Lagrangian means that what? Lagrangian means that kinetic energy minus the potential. So this is the form what we have y. So this is and then we have y equals to ax. Okay, ax squared. Okay, so this tells the y dot is 2ax x dot. So this one can be written as y dot 1 plus okay, I should this is too fast. Let me do step by step calculation. So I can read this term is the same plus x dot can be written as y dot square 4 square ax square the minus mg y. And this ax square is y over x square is y over a. So we have okay. So now we can get this one 1 plus 1 over 4a minus mgy. I forget the symbol. There's still y here, so it's 1 over 4ay. Okay, so 1 plus 1 over 4ay minus mgy. So this is the answer. So the answer is A. Okay, so 46 that the ball is dropped from height h and it's bounced over floor speed 80%. So velocity is 80%, so the height is basically the velocity square, proportional to velocity square. So the answer is D. 45 is easy question. And the 46 they give you a PV diagram and they give you 5 curves. Okay, so first one number is critical isotherm. So critical means that partial p partial v is 0. So this is critical. So which one is critical? This one, right? Number 2. So 46, the answer is B. Okay, 47 is what region are liquid vapor in equilibrium with each other? Okay, so liquid and vapor has the volume largest. Basically, it's the volume larger than the. Okay, so he's asking about which region are liquid and vapor equilibrium with each other. So the answer is B. And the reason is that there's the constant volume curve. So basically, this means that they are in a transition process. So when you do the transition, the volume can be increased, but the pressure is fixed. So this constant region B. This region B is the liquid and the vapor equilibrium. Oh, so 48 and basically ask about error analysis. F equals to ma sigma over f. I don't know whether you guys know about this, but actually, you should remember this. If you have z equals to x and y, then sigma over z will be this. This is a basic formula you need to remember. But you can prove it if you learn about the basic random variable. So this is the formula you need to remember. So there's nothing more I can say, but I will provide a proof, the rigorous proof for this. So the answer is C. I will provide rigorous proof for this in a link up below. Okay, so 49 said that two horizontal I don't know how to sign installation counters are located near a surface 3 meters directly above the other. And what is the largest resolving time that can be used to distinguish? Okay, so this problem is stupid that all you need to know is the 3 meters. So you have one is on top of each other, and then they have their differences. 3 meters asking about what's the resolution time. So the fact is the speed of light, right? So the time is just 3 over the speed of light. Second, so it's basically 10 nanosecond. So the answer is 3 meters. So it's close to 1 nanosecond. Close to 1 nanosecond. So the answer is B. Okay, so 50. Actually, I don't have much to say. Because I asked about what circle contains wave function on expanded basis, each of with simultaneous eigenvalues of A and B. So you already learned if A, B are commutative, they have simultaneous eigenvalue. They have simultaneous eigenvectors. Sorry, not eigenvalue. They have simultaneous eigenvectors. So the answer is B. Only if A and B commute. This is basic common linear algebra. Okay, so that's it, and I will see you guys in the next video.